You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2.
All right, go ahead and take out your math paper. We are on page 161. All right. Now, we have something new today that is very, 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 very important. So, here's what we're going to do, okay? I'm going to just run through this stuff, run through everything that you know how to do. Most of this you know how to do. So I'm just going to let you do it by yourself. I'm going to explain a couple things, translate a few things for you, and then we'll go on to the new stuff. So pay attention, watch carefully. This, you know how to do. This, you know how to do. This, you know how to do. This, let's do these two real quick. It says, mark the circle beside the amount of juice Peter drank at breakfast. How much juice do you think Peter drank at breakfast? ¿Cuánto de jugo? Did he drink 1 cup of juice, 1 quart of juice, or 1 gallon of juice? ¿Un taza de jugo, un cuarto de jugo, or un galón de jugo? Well, how much could you drink? Could you drink a cup of jugo? Yeah, you could at breakfast. Would your mother give you a quart of jugo at breakfast? Probably not. How about a gallon? No, you couldn't do that. So yes, it's 1 taza. Then it says, mark the circle beside the amount of water Peter's mother put in his bathtub. Amount de agua in his baño. Un galón, 10 galones, or 100 galones? Well, 1 gallon, it's kind of small, isn't it? Yes, that's just 10 gallons, yeah, maybe. But 100 gallons, probably 100 gallons. Okay? All right. On the back, you know how to do this. This is the new stuff. We'll go over this in a minute. Let's take care of this. April gave the clerk at the store $1 for an ice cream cone. $1 para un helado. The clerk gave her 1 quarter back. So how much did ¿cuánto cuesta la helado? El helado. She gave the clerk $1. She gave her 1 quarter back. So what is $1 minus 1 quarter? $1 menos un quarter. How much? Okay, and this question, this is basically real easy, is 12 menos 7 y 7 menos 1. 12 minus 7, 7 minus 1. That's all it is. Really easy. Okay. Like I said, this, and this you can do on your own. But this is the new stuff. So I'm going to pause this video now so we can go to the board and I can explain to you the new stuff. Okay? Okay. Okay, here we are back at the board to learn our new thing for today. Borrowing. Borrowing. What does borrowing mean? Well, I'll show you. This is about subtraction. It's about restas. Now, when we have 7, can you see that? Let me move that a little closer. There we go. Okay, we have 7 minus 3 is what? 4, right? Everybody knows that. If you have 17 minus 12. Well, you start here, because you always start on this side. 7 minus 2 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, yeah, you know how to do that, right? But, what if this part over here doesn't work? What if your question is 31 minus 16. Well, you always start on this side, right? Always, always, always. What's 1 minus 6? We have a problem now, don't we? Can you say 1 minus 6? No, you can't. Hold up one finger. And take away 6. Well, we took away 1. Where's the other 5? You can't do it, can you? So what do you have to do? What you have to do is borrow from this side. Here's what you do. Are you listening? This is very, very important. Pay attention. We're going to borrow a 10 from this side and stick it over on this side. If you're looking at me right now going, what are you talking about? Let me show you. $31. We're going to change this 3 into a 2. This now becomes 2. And we're going to take that 10 from the tens place and put it right over here. We're going to put it right there. This is not a 1 anymore, it's an 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. And then now we have 2 minus 1 is 1. Our answer is 15. 31 minus 16 is 15. Do you see what happened? We borrowed a 10 from this side and we stuck it over here on this side. You see how that works? Let's do it again. We have 53 minus 17. Okay. What's 3 minus 7? Can you do that? Hold up 3 fingers. Now take away 7. 1, 2, 3. Where's the rest of them? You can't do it, can you? No, so what do you have to do? You borrow a 10 from this side and move it over here. So this becomes not 5, but 4. And this, you take that 10, put it here, it becomes 13. 13 minus 7 is what? It's 5. And 4 minus, now it's not 5 minus 1 anymore, it's 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. And now because it's 35. 53 minus 17 is 35. You see how that works? It's not hard once you get the hang of it. It's just working a little bit on it that makes it hard. And again, I really, really wish that we could be in the same room together so that I can make sure that you're understanding this. Because here's what a lot of kids do when they start out. They'll say 53 minus 17 is they'll remember to put the 1 here. 13 minus 7 is 13 minus 7 is 5. 13 minus 7 is 6. What's the matter with me? I'm supposed to be a math teacher, and I missed that. I feel really silly now, but whatever. And they say 13 minus 7 is 6. They better put the 1 here, but they forget to take it off the 5. So they say 5 minus 1 is 4, and our answer is 46. Is that right? No, it's not right. So you have to take 10 from this side, move it over to this side, And don't forget to do that, to show that you took a 10 off. 50 minus 10 is 40. This is now 4 minus 1 is 3, 36. Now we're going to do all of the problems you have on your paper together. So, first one we have is 54 minus 16. That's problem number 1 on your paper. What's 4 minus 6? You can't do it, can you? No. So we borrow. We turn this into a 4 and put a 1 next to the 14. What's 14 minus 6? 14 minus 6 is 8. And so what's 4 minus 1? 3. The answer is 38. See how that works? Let's do the next one. It's 73 minus 28. What's 3 minus 8? Can't do it. So what do? We take 10 off of this, and we move it right there. 13 minus 8 is 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. The answer is 45. Do you understand that? Okay, if you're wondering what those other boxes are there for, those little boxes there, they're to show you where to put these numbers. You don't have to use those boxes. I don't because, but here's how they do it. Okay? I'll show you how to do it with the next one. We have 41 minus 18. Okay? And they give you these two boxes to put them there. What's 1 minus 8? You can't do it, can you? No. So, we turn this 4 into a 3. And we take that 10 and put it up here in this box. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 minus 8 is 2. Is 2. And 3 minus 1 is 2. I did it again. I don't know what's the matter with me. I must have a bad math day. 11 minus 8 is 3, not 2. See, that's why I don't like this version. It's too confusing. So it's easier just to do that. 11 minus 8 is 3. It's easier in my mind just to do it that way. Okay? Let's go on to the next one. I gotta move fast because we're running out of time. We have 32 minus 28. What do? What's 2 minus 8? Can't do it. Let's take off 10 and move it there. What's 12 minus 8? 4. And what's 2 minus 2? 0. So don't put anything down. So what's our answer? 4. Okay. I'm going to do this last one here with you, and then you can do these by yourself. Okay? Because we're out of time. So here we go. 30 minus 25. What do? Well, what's 0 minus 5? Can't do it, can you? So we take that, make it 2, put that, what are they made? 10. What's 10 minus 5? 5. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Didn't put anything. So what's our answer? Our answer is 5. If you're not understanding this, don't worry. We're going to be working on this a lot. Okay? Work on it again more on Monday, I'm sure. So I got to stop now because I'm out of time. So we'll stop. I'll let you do the rest of it by yourself, and then we can go on to your English.